Hello, I'm Steve Lee from Open Directive, and I'd like to talk to you about Always in Mind. Now, digital communications are at the heart of many of our daily activities. We share photos and videos, usually of cats, and send messages, make video calls. We keep in touch and we plan holidays, and a lot of this is now done, of course, through social networks. But this is available for all? Well, many people struggle with complexity. They may have low digital literacy. They may have cognitive disabilities, for example, dementia, learning disabilities, or they may suffer a brain injury. Elders are an unfortunate group, and they often fall in both camps. Anyone under stress can also have difficulty with complexity. For example, have you ever tried to buy a ticket from a kiosk just as your train was about to leave? So what would help? Well, smartphones and tablets with their touch interfaces are a great start, but they still often users experience complexity once they get beyond the launcher. Ideally, we'd help gain confidence in digital skills without feeling of going near a computer. We'd also support declining abilities, for example, someone that has a dementia, or improving abilities, someone recovering from a brain injury. So, what is Always in Mind, and how does it help? Well, the main idea is to reduce barriers by smart use of technology. The end user gets an easy, friendly and supportive access to the media that's been shared with them, whereas a family and supporter can manage the experience and can also use the existing social networks that they're using already. Key features of Always in Mind include large buttons, clear, consistent text, layout and navigation, and text and speech help. And of course, we avoid giving users scary errors. So let's have a little demo.
Well, here we are at the home screen of the user experience of Always in Mind. You'll notice there's a number of large buttons allowing access to various activities, and at the top there's a clear indication of where you are, what you should be doing, and a help button. Now, if we look at the photos activities to start with, it goes off and loads the photo collections that are available from the social media. In this case, it's going to Google Photos. And just to demonstrate the help facility, if we click on help.
This screen is Choose Photo Album. Use the Photo Album button to view the photos.
And then if we do what it says, it loads the photos from the album and displays them in a simple slideshow. You'll notice at the bottom of the screen there's a caption which has been fetched from Microsoft's AI facilities. We can also pause the display at any time if we want to talk about a particular photo or carry on, and then we can navigate back up to the top. So let's now see the family or supporters experience. If we quickly flip over to Google Photos, I've got a new cat photo here which I want to share with my mum. So we click on the photo, we select Add to Album. I want to create a new album. There we go, which is Ozzy. This is our cat's name, and there we are, that's done. So if we now go back to the photos, we have a new photo album called Ozzy, and indeed if we click on that, it shows us the slideshow of a single photo, and Microsoft's done a good job of identifying what it is. There's a table on the ground. Well, there you go, that gives you a basic flavour for what Always in Mind is about. Thank you very much.
Just to wrap up, I'd like to say that Always in Mind is both an online, fully supported service and also an open source product which provides platform and components to encourage open innovation in this space. Thank you.